Hi guys, it's so nice to have you join me again for another video. Welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, subscribe and click the notification bell. Today I'll be showing you how to make foot therapy. Here are the ingredients: European spa salts, Epsom salts, baking soda, lavender and peppermint essential oils. Do you have tired, achy feet? Then I have a recipe for you. So are you ready? Let's get started. So here are the measurements, guys. Half cup of the European spa salts. This is half cup. Now I'm putting half cup of Epsom salts. Oops. Half cup. Now I'm adding the baking soda, half cup as well. This is half cup here. Next, the lavender oil, 1 tablespoon. And the peppermint oil, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of the peppermint oil. So now I'm mixing the ingredients up. And from what I'm seeing here, I'm going to add some more essential oils. So I've decided to add 2 more tablespoons of the peppermint oil. And 2 tablespoons more of the lavender oil. So I'm going to blend everything up. The smooth consistency and making sure that all the ingredients are well blended together. Like this. The smell of the lavender and the peppermint is very uplifting and soothing. So here you have it, guys, the foot therapy. This foot therapy helps to remove toxins from your body. The baking soda keeps your feet fresh, and the scent of the lavender and peppermint is both relaxing and uplifting. Fill your foot tub with warm water and sprinkle in the foot therapy. Massage your feet, soak for 15 minutes or more. You will get relief from your sore feet. Relax and enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.